Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Cauliflower is one vegetable that should be enjoyed while they are in their peak season. So today I'm going to share a wonderful appetizer recipe with you guys. It's called Cauliflower Dynamite. This dish is so tasty and spicy and it's going to explode in your mouth with all this wonderful taste just like its name. Aren't you eager to know how this is made? So why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to blanch the cauliflowers. For this, I've taken a medium-sized cauliflower and cut it into medium to small pieces. Add the cut up pieces into a pot of hot water. Add half teaspoon of salt and blanch it for just about 2 minutes. You can see the cauliflowers are nice and clean. Now strain the blanched cauliflowers and keep it aside. Once the cauliflowers have cooled down completely, transfer it to a bowl. And now I'm going to add a few ingredients to marinate the vegetable. So first I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next add 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Now add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. Just make sure the cauliflower pieces are coated well. Once you've mixed everything, let this sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add about 1/4 cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Adding the Maida and the corn flour will help to coat the vegetable well because we're going to deep fry it. So if you see, I have not added any water. The moisture from the vegetable is good enough. So this will coat the cauliflowers well. So once you've done this, take a nice deep kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on a medium and gently start dropping in the cauliflowers. Deep fry them till they're about nice golden brown color. Make sure you fry them in batches. Once the cauliflowers have come to a nice golden brown color, remove it from the oil and keep it aside. So next we're going to make the sauce to coat the vegetable. To a bowl, add 250 grams of mayonnaise. You can use either egg mayonnaise or eggless, it's up to you. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Next add 2 tablespoons of red chilli sauce. Now add 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Now mix everything well using a small whisk. This will help to blend the sauce well and all the ingredients in it. If you see, I've not added any salt because all the sauces contain salt in them. So now the dynamite sauce is ready. You can see this lovely rich color. Now we're going to gradually add the sauce to the cauliflowers. Add little at a time to make sure it's completely coated. You don't want to add too much because it can get a little overpowering. So as you add little at a time, you will know how much you would need exactly depending on the quantity of the vegetable that you're using. Now that the cauliflowers are completely coated with the dynamite sauce, it's time to serve. I'm serving on a bed of iceberg lettuce. So as you can see, it's a very nice and very tasty starter. I'm sure everybody at home is going to love this. So if you're having any special occasion, say for lunch or dinner, this is a nice go-to recipe, I would say. So you can see how the pieces are coated so beautifully in the lovely dynamite sauce. So that's what gives it a lot of flavor. I'll give you a couple of links for other starter recipes with cauliflower. You can check them out as well. So there is this absolutely delicious cauliflower dynamite, which is a perfect starter before lunch or dinner. Just follow all the instructions to get this perfectly. And just make sure you don't over fry the cauliflowers. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.